All right, here we are looking at question 8. You're going to find the perpendicular slope. Well, what does perpendicular slope mean? If you take the look at the notes, the slopes for a perpendicular is going to be the opposites reciprocal. All right, so let's look at this one. Oh, we have the slope here, which is m is equal to 2. Well, we want to find the perpendicular slope. So what we need to do is do the opposite reciprocal. So 2 over 1, right? This goes to the bottom, which is 2. This goes to the top, which is just 1. It's a positive, so now it's a negative. So the perpendicular slope is m is equal to negative 1/2. That would be the final answer. Okay. For B, we have to look at the slope here, but first of all, we can't. We don't know it. So what we have to do is we have to convert it into y equals mx plus b first. Let's draw our line down that middle. Let's solve for y. So minus 5x to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 4y on the left is equal to negative 5x minus 6. Next, you want to divide by 4 to everything on both sides. 4 over 4 does cancel, leaving you with a y is equal to negative 5x over 4 minus, this does simplify to just 3 over 2 though. Okay, doesn't really matter because all we care about is the slope here. Okay, so the slope here, which is m is equal to negative 5 over 4, but we want to do the opposite reciprocal. So the 4 goes to the top, the negative 5 goes to the bottom, but now we want to make it an opposite. So do you see how we just throw another negative? Negative over negative is a positive. Okay, so the perpendicular slope would be m is equal to positive 4 over 5, right? If one of them is positive, the other one has to be negative. So there you go. That is how you find perpendicular slopes.